Let's learn number names 1 to 20, grade 1 and 2. Hello, young learners. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn about number names. Let's get started. Let's learn count together. One, two, three, four, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-X-6, S-A-V-E-N-7, E-I-G-H-8, T-8, N-I-N-E-9, T-E-N-10. Now, let's learn the number names from 11 to 20. E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Let's practice what we've learned. Can you tell me the number name for... What is the number name for 5? Good job. It's F-I-V-E 5. What is the number name for 14? Good job. It's F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned the number names from 1 to 20. Practice every day and you'll become a pro in no time. Happy learning! Like, follow and subscribe.